how to use the new Outlook drag and drop attachments feature. So here I am in the new version of Outlook, specifically Outlook on the web or in the browser. So this is also applicable to the Outlook application on your desktop. So both of the new versions of Outlook is the same. So from here, if you want to use the drag and drop feature for having attachments, you can just go ahead and click new mail, and then you can go ahead and enter the recipient right here. So for example, I will send it to my other Outlook account, and then we can put subject right here, test email with attachments. And then you can go ahead and enter the body of your email. So let's say, hi, check out my attachments that I included in the email here. So for example, like that. Now, instead of using the insert tab right here or to attach a file, you can just go ahead and have your file open right here in your folder. Then you can drag and drop it. So for example, I want to insert like a photo, for example. So for example, I'll go right here to stock photos. And then let's say I use this photo right here of clothes. I can just click and then drag and drop it right here to Outlook. And then from here, you can see two options. You can either upload the file to OneDrive and share it as a link, or attach it normally as an attachment file. So if I attach it normally to an attachment file, I just need to move my mouse right here to the right side of the email. So it also has this box right here. So if I release the mouse, it will now attach it as a normal attachment right here in the email. If I use the other method, which is upload to OneDrive and share link, so it will upload it to my OneDrive account, and then it will share it right here as a link. So if I go ahead and do that, I release the mouse. Now it will attach it as a link right here. So those are the two types of attachments. So if you prefer using the classic attachment look, you can just attach it as a file right here, and then they can go ahead and open the file or download it. If you want to insert the file as a online link, just use the upload to OneDrive and insert link feature, and then that specific attachment will now be included inside of the body of your email instead of having the attachment right here. So you just need to wait for this to finish loading. So right now it's still uploading to OneDrive, and then from here it's still attaching the attachment. So now it's finished attaching the files, and then now we can see the link of the image file right here, and then we also have the attachment right here. And then you can also use other types of files right here. Like for example, if you want to use an Excel file, a Word file, a PDF file, you can just insert it the same way, and it will still have that two methods right here. So it's either you attach it as a normal attachment file or upload it to OneDrive first and share it as a link. Once that is done, you can just click send, and then it should now be in your send items. Then you have the normal attachment right here, and then you have the link for the attachment right here. And then if you use the link, it will open in another tab. It will open it in OneDrive, and then you will see the file right here. And then that is it. So that is the new Outlook drag and drop attachments feature. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.